Hello, we are at Lyuben Karavelov apartment. If you have a problem with the hot water, so you have your hot water tap turned on and your water is still cold, but you still have water running, we can help you because we have a small water heater built in your apartment, which is located in your bathroom right here. So the first thing you have to do is switch off the water tap from the central heating provider by opening this little door. It's gentle. Inside, it's a little difficult to spot. There is a small red handle above there. You have to switch it off and turn it perpendicular to the pipe. After you do this, you have to turn the water heater switches on, both up there, off, on, and you have to turn those handles like this, open to the left. When you open the hot water tap, you'll hear a sound from the water heater, and you'll have two small red lights turned on. If they're not on, then the water heater is not working. You'll have some nice water straight for your shower because it's an instant heater water boiler. Thank you.